Welcome once again to Jacob's Corner. And for today, I wish to walk you through with 50 abbreviations everyone should know. These abbreviations, we come across it every day, every week, every minute, and all throughout the year. But there are still many who are still not aware of these abbreviations. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. This is a very common thing that we use in all our houses, in hotels, not only in India but across the globe. Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. Modem, modulator, demodulator. LED, light emitting diode. MRP, maximum retail price. Everybody who shops, whether be it the supermarkets or small stores, most of the products come with this tag, and it's called the maximum retail price. USB, universal serial bus. MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. This is the basic medical qualification that one can have immediately after completing +2. GPS, Global Positioning System. FRCS, Fellow of the Royal College of Surgeons. BCG, Bacillus calmette-guerin. This is a vaccine against TB, and TB stands for tuberculosis, which was developed by two French bacteriologists and physicists named Calmette and Guerin. MMR, measles, mumps, rubella. Every mother should be knowing this expansion because they take, once the child is born, the doctors, they recommend the children to be vaccinated with MMR, measles, mumps, rubella. GRE, Graduate Records Examination, and GMAT, Graduate Management Aptitude Test. Well, these two tests are very popular for students who wish to take any business course, be it in India or outside India. Many of the universities, they either prefer students should be having a GRE or a GMAT to enter most of the business and management schools. It's basically an entrance exam. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. You walk into any hospital, you will see there can be a very big board which says MRI scan taken here. Magnetic resonance imaging. NEET, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. This is a very popular acronym that we often see it in the newspapers and TVs across India. This is a basic competitive exam for those who wish to gain entry into the government and private medical colleges across India. One standard uniform exam for the whole of India. News, north, east, west, south. That's how we have derived the word news, north, east, west, and south. PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. CT, Computed Tomography. BMI, Body Mass Index. RPM, revolutions per minute. Anyone who drives would have seen next to the speedometer, you might find this revolutions per minute on another set of meter. PS, postscript. Postscript is normally written at the end of the letter. If you have missed out any important information in the main body of the letter, you can include it under postscript. So normally you write the word PS, postscriptum, and which means the important information that was missed in the letter is being scribbled down below the letter. CC, carbon copy. So if you send a letter, let's take to the minister. So you will carbon copy this to the joint secretary and to the other members who are associated or linked with this particular complaint. TOEFL, test of English as a foreign language. So this test is normally taken by any student whose native language is not English and wish to do any course of study in a European or an American or country like Australia and New Zealand. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. JPEJ, Joint Photographic Expert Group. PIN, there are two expansions for the word PIN. If it is associated with the post office, then it's a postal index number. Every post office has a PIN code number, and when it is associated with a bank, it is a personal identification. ATM, automated teller machine. RSVP, Répondez s'il vous plaît. This is basically taken from the French language. Répondez s'il vous plaît means reply if you please in English. So basically it is please reply. When somebody is conducting a birthday party and he sends out an invitation, and below on top of the invitation they inscribe the word RSVP, which clearly means that it will be courteous from the side of the recipient to respond with a yes or a no, so that the host who is conducting the party can make arrangements for the number of people who wish to attend. So invitations are sent to 100 people, and if only 50 people are attending the ceremony, then the host will make arrangements only for 50 and not for 100. GIF, Graphic Interface. COVID, coronavirus disease. So it's also called the COVID-19 because the first traces of this disease was spotted somewhere in December 2019. COVID, and this COVID has become a household name, spread across the globe. Wherever you find the newspapers, news articles, posters, hoardings, you find the word COVID, and COVID is coronavirus disease. IFSC, Indian Financial System Code. This code, you normally find it on a check leaf and also on the websites of the banks. SIM, Subscriber Identity. SCUBA, self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. So basically the equipment that you use to dive underwater is self-contained breathing apparatus. So today when you use the word scuba, anybody who uses the underwater breathing apparatus, it's called scuba diving. VAT, value added tax. FMCG, fast moving consumer goods. GST, goods and service tax. HSBC, very very popular across the globe, is a very famous bank. HSBC, it stands for Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation. CNN, cable news network, a news network which belongs to the United States. It's located in Atlanta. BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. ICU, Intensive Care unit. DTH, direct to home. SUV, sports utility. CCTV, closed circuit television. SMS, short message service. DHL, a very popular courier company. Delsey, Hillbound and Lynn. These are the names of 3 people who have started this company. IPC, Indian Penal Code. IQ, Intelligence Quotient. JCB, also a very popular site. You have the heavy machines, earth removers and dumpers. Joseph Cyril Bamford, an industrialist based in United Kingdom. DVD, digital versatile disc. It's also expanded as digital video disc, but I think the most appropriate one is digital versatile disc. IELTS, International English Language Testing System.